Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to HTML with PDF.co web API using PowerShell. Let's start. First, I'll show you the sample PDF invoice that we're going to use for this tutorial. Now, prepare your sample PowerShell and Windows batch file code. Make sure to change the API key with your own. Once you're done, you may now open the Windows batch file to run the program. The program runs successfully. The result will automatically be placed in the same directory with your code. Here's what the sample HTML looks like. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.